Okay, I'm going to answer this for both me painting and the kit. How many constellations do you get? And are there star patterns in the kit as seen in the northern hemisphere? What about the southern hemisphere? All right, when I'm painting the mural for you, I'll try to get your favorite constellations, and I'll try to put as many of those in as I can so they're not crowded. I don't have to shrink them down too much, you know, so you get what the room will fit. And it's usually somewhere between 3 and 6 or 7. In the kit, we have 4 constellations. You get Cassiopeia, the Big Dipper, Little Dipper, and Leo. And we chose those because those are some of the most popular that people were asking for, the most recognizable. So we put those in there. I also have started having Orion printed or cut out for me. So I have some Orion here that people can add to the kit. And I was just thinking the other day that, and I don't have them ready yet, but I'm at some point in the near future, I'll have another stack of maybe 10 constellations that you can order with the kit as add-ons. Southern Hemisphere. I don't have those right now. The only one I really ever had to paint was the Southern Cross. I might have that one, you know, cut out for me also. But that's it. So I've got 4 in the kit. You can add Orion now. Soon you can add more. When I paint, I'll put in there what will look natural and not crowd.